actually wasn't planning to post this video. That's why you guys will see that I'm not giving you guys real-time commentary while taking this trade. So usually you guys know, before we started this live trading series, I told you guys that I record my screen every single day anyways. I record my face as well because I want to know my emotions when I'm actually executing on a trade. And that's why I have been recording my screen since the past 4-5 years. And I started this YouTube series. So on days I actually decide and I feel like I want to post a live trading video, I give you guys a commentary. But I have been recording my screen since forever. But today my plan was not to record a commentary because we have already posted 2 live trading videos on this channel this week. So my goal is to post 1 to 3 live trading every single week. And this was a Friday. You guys will see I'm enjoying my music. I'm just trading. And yeah, so I was not in the mood to give a commentary. That's why I was just enjoying my music, executed. But I actually caught a really good trade and a really well-managed trade. And that's why I'm going to post this video. But before we do that, you guys will see just a silent video of a trader executing his trades professionally. Not professionally, I'm just an experienced trader. I'm not a guru by any means. I might have more experience than you. So I started trading in 2019. So if you started trading after me, I might just have more experience than you. And that is why before we get onto the live commentary, live video, live trading, not the commentary, because there's no commentary in this video, I'm going to show you guys the game plan and what I was watching for the day. So I was watching Tesla for a push up or a push down, because if you look at the weekly and the monthly chart, I want to give you guys a bit of a back end story of this stock. So if we go on the monthly chart of this stock, and if I zoom in and if I just zoom out right here, you guys can see that this stock has never closed above this prior all-time high, 414.50 approximately. That was the all-time high in 2021. And since then, this stock hasn't closed above this level on the monthly chart. This month is finally the month, looks like it's going to close above that level. For now, we still have 2 more trading days to go, including Friday. Today, it's going to be 3 trading days. So it's going to be a big fight between buyers and sellers to see if buyers are actually able to hold this monthly bar above the prior all-time high, or the sellers are able to take control. That's why you guys are seeing some aggressive move on this stock. Like recently, we had this crazy rally. Since then, big red, big green, big red. Technically speaking, there are no good setups. There's no like flag or something, but just the intraday momentum is really good on the stock, and that's what I have been capitalizing on for the past few days. So yesterday, you guys saw my live trading video. I made $8,000, and today, you guys will have to watch the video to see how much I made capitalizing on this upside push and then the downside push, just going with the momentum. So yeah, make sure to watch this video until the end. It's going to be a silent video followed by my commentary towards the end of the video when I show you guys my P&L, and it's going to be a really good video. So stay tuned until the end, and if you do, like, subscribe and share. Now here's where I entered my calls position when we actually broke above high of the day, $428 level, for a break above 430. And then I'm going to start covering right here at the break above 432, and I'm going to add on a pullback, and then I'm going to lose on that ad, overall making only like $1,000 to $1,500 on this trade. Continue watching the recording. So now after the rejection from high of the day, 433, 434 zone, I'm going to look for my downside position right near this R3, which is the green level. I'm going to start a small position with 20 contracts, and then I'm going to add 30 more contracts, and then I'm going to add 50 more contracts when we get rejected from 430. This is not holding on to your loser. This is actually having a very strong gut feeling, which comes with experience as well. My intuition was like, this is going to flush because the volume on reds was like really high, and the tape was clearly telling me that it's going to at least go for low of the day. And I have seen this happen multiple times on this stock, that we get a fake out above R3 near high of the day, we get rejected and we break low of the day. This is just like deja vu for me. I have seen this happen multiple times, and that's why I executed on this. And now here is the candle when we got rejected from 430. I'm going to add the big position sizing to my position. I'm so proud of this ad. So this is actually like experienced trader executing on this stock. This is, again, as I mentioned, deja vu. I have seen this work out so many times on this stock. My gut feeling was like, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. And this only comes with experience. Once you have a well-defined playbook, once you know the personality of the stock, I have been trading the stock for the past 5 years. I know how it trades. I have seen this play work out multiple times in the past 5 years. And that's why I took big position sizing on this. But you guys will be like, why is it like, it's not a big position sizing because it's only 100 contracts, but 100 contracts, same day expiry, guys, which is equivalent to me trading like 200 or 300 contracts on a Monday. Same day expiry contracts, your risk is a lot more compared to on Monday. So you have to keep that in mind. For me, trading 100 contracts, same day expiry is big position sizing. So guys, I was actually not planning to, this recording was for me personally. I wasn't planning to post it on YouTube, but you guys saw what happened. Did you guys see what happened? Did you guys see what just happened? So my plan was upside. I was up and then I added, I lost money. Then this push down under R3. I was like, okay, on the 1 hour chart, which I was looking at trading view, looked like a nasty rejection from that prior high, right? It was looking like a doji on the 1 hour chart. It's still forming, but it was looking like a doji. So that's where I entered, added, got this push down, same day expiry contracts and made $17,000. Insanity. That's insane. That's insane. I traded the same day expiry. Usually, if you guys have seen my Friday recaps, I don't trade the same day expiry because Tesla next week expiry premiums are going to be really expensive. They are reporting the delivery numbers next week, most likely. Don't quote me on that. I was actually listening to music as well, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to remove the music, but I might get like a copyright claim or something. I won't monetize this video, right? I don't give a fuck. So it's going to be a silent recap, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I will have to put an intro in. But yeah, that's insane. This is what trading gives you. I was not expecting a day like this, and the market rewards you when you least expect the market to reward you. So that's the reason I traded the same day expiry. Next week, our like 450 calls are like, they were like $7-8. So not worth it, right? They won't even move that much. And I think the premiums are jacked up because of the recent Tesla rally towards the upside. In addition to Tesla reporting delivery numbers, most likely next week or the following week. It's the first week of a new quarter. We start a new quarter next week on a Wednesday. So it might be next week or next to next week. Don't quote me on that. But because of that anticipation, next week or next to next week, doesn't matter. The premiums are jacked up. So that's why I traded the same day expiry contracts, and I think my risk was managed really well. I entered, added right here because I was like, okay, 430, it's going to flush. And that is the importance of these R3 levels. And guys, you will have an amazing video coming out. It's a 25 minutes long video. It's going to be coming out next week, most likely on Tuesday or Wednesday. Must watch video. It's going to be on Camarilla Pivots, 25 minutes long video. I'm telling you, it's going to be banger of a video. It's going to be a banger video. It's going to be really good, really amazing. So definitely watch that video. It's going to help you a lot with your trading. I explain everything, and then you guys see the live trading examples, the application of that. So I discussed a few examples in that video itself, Camarilla Pivots video, but then I post these videos like twice or thrice a week. You guys can see me actually talk about. Today I did not talk about it because I was not planning to post it. This recording was just for myself. So before I started this series, I told you guys, I record my screen anyways. I record my emotions anyways. And today, because I posted the live trading yesterday, I was not even planning to post this. But because this was actually a really good winner, a really good, well-managed trade, I want to post it. So yeah. And that was insane. So you guys get the knowledge on this YouTube channel with practical application of that knowledge. Where else do you get this? Where else do you get this? Nowhere, right? So like, subscribe, share. I'm going to record an intro, put that intro towards the beginning of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. And before you go, like, subscribe, and share, guys. Viral this like series. I'm actually working really hard on making more content, creating good content for YouTube, and just helping a lot of traders out there. And I would really appreciate a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and comment down below your favorite part about this video. And yeah, this was actually an amazing trade. Thank you for watching. Have a good not long weekend. Have a good weekend. See you guys next week.